Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update EtherFi vault settings for safer deposits step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your EtherFi account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your current vault settings. Locate the section labeled Vault Settings. Click on the Edit button next to your vault. Review your current security options. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it isn't already active. Select your preferred method for two-factor authentication, like an app or SMS. Once selected, follow the prompts to set up the chosen method. After securing your account, move on to the deposit settings. Identify the option that allows you to adjust deposit limits. Set your desired maximum deposit amount. This ensures you have control over how much you deposit at any time. Look for the notification settings related to deposit activities. Configure notifications to alert you for any deposit actions. These notifications can help monitor unauthorized transactions. Next, check the withdrawal settings for added security. Consider setting up a withdrawal whitelist. Add trusted wallet addresses to this whitelist for withdrawals. Double-check that all settings reflect your updated preferences. Save the changes you made to ensure they take effect. Log out of your account to finalize the update process. Review your vault settings periodically to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.